95% of Upwork freelancers get their job proposals instantly archived. Want to be in that 5% that land the high-paying gigs? Stick around because I'm going to show you how. Hey everyone, I'm Colette, founder of Coach by Colette, and in this video, I'll share the secret to writing Upwork cover letters that win jobs. I've earned over $1 million on Upwork, and today I want to help you do the same. If you're ready to make a bank, drop a $sign in the comments. Your goal is to win jobs with great clients who pay well. I will show you a simple, repeatable process to make that happen. I'm about to break down the 8 things to avoid at all costs in your proposal, the golden rule to follow, and the one secret no one else will tell you. Let's get started. First, look at what people do wrong in their cover letters. Check these out. Dear Sir, Madam, I am very confused right now. Although I have not much experience, stop. You need to rethink your strategy if you have written anything like this. Drop a comment below if you have been guilty of these mistakes. Here are 8 things to avoid at all costs in your Upwork proposal. Number 1, generic greetings. Always use the client's first name instead of Dear Sir or Madam. Number 2, lack of confidence. Avoid phrases like, I am very confused right now, or, although I do not have much experience. Number 3, empty promises. Don't make promises like, I promise to, without backing them up. Number 4, over-explaining. Keep your proposal concise. High-paying clients don't have the time for long-winded explanations. Number 5, no personalization, a lack of self-effort to personalize your proposal. Number 6, irrelevant information. Stick to what is relevant to the job. Number 7, no call to action. Always end with a clear call to action, like scheduling a call. Number 8, neglecting proof of competence. Use client quotes from your profile to establish authority and trust. Now I'm going to share my story. When I started on Upwork, I had no client reviews or job history. I sent over hundreds of proposals without a single response and spent over $50 on connects. My profile was a disaster, focusing on me instead of my client. I took a sales copywriting course and learned to make my profile client-focused. It worked. I got my first response after 20 more proposals, but it wasn't enough. I lowered my rate and stopped bidding on big jobs. Then I discovered something incredible. You don't need Upwork clients to upload work samples. I created solid examples and uploaded them to my profile. My profile was revamped and my rate was adjusted, and my work examples were solid. Finally, I focused on my cover letter, customizing each one and focusing on the client's needs, showing my motivation and providing a clear next step. And guess what? I won my first Upwork job. Here's the free cover letter template that I promised. You can use it word for word. Check the link in the description or in the comment for more free proposals. Remember, the key is making your proposal about the client and not you. If you have found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe to my channels for more tips. Read Upwork's term of service, customize your proposal, and watch your freelancing career take off. See you in the next video.